What is that? Get it.
Izu.
DK, the great hunter.
This is the man with the face and body that made us die for.
DK, Chiokike did not only bless you with the ability of good hunting, but he also gave you the... But he also gave you the gift of flattering.
No. There is no flattery there. The entire Obligwe will bear me witness that you are a man of uncommon handsomeness.
I hear. Thank you.
Looking beyond this smile of yours, I quickly see worry. What bothers you?
DK, I'm fine. I'm very fine.
You can tell that to my 5-year-old boy. He can quickly believe you. But I have never seen you wear such a long face.
Poverty. Poverty. DK, as I speak to you, my younger brother and I, we don't even have food to eat. No food to eat. No money to even buy our basic need. Poverty won't kill us.
Okay, poverty. This is the road many of us have passed through. Even myself, I have tasted it.
DK, you will not understand. You just not understand. DK, look at me. What I want now is a job. I need a job. I need a very good job. I have strength. I can walk. All I need is to get a job. DK, I can do any kind of job. I can do any kind of labor job. Anyone. I can even pack shit like this. But where is the job? Where is the job?
It's going to be all right. It's going to be all right. I just remember that there is a construction work going on Tony's land.
Huh? Construction work? Which Tony?
The Tony you know? Who else? If not that one that works with oil company.
He! Yeah. You mean that Tony? He has started again. Hey! Wait, oh. That is abandoned site. He has started to work.
You see, Tony has made money. He has gotten it. As I'm talking to you now, many people are working, a lot of people are working there. So this is the opportunity.
DK, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going there now. Let me see if you help me. You better hurry. Thank you. You better hurry.
Jesus, girl!
It's okay. What is it again?
Since this useless girl entered my house, all the breakable plates that my useless wife even managed to buy before I chased her away, they are all gone. They are all gone.
Gone as how?
Are you asking me? Ask her now.
It is not true. It's not true. It's not the way it's not. Let's go. It's okay now. Stop it this girl. What is wrong with you? Talk to me. What's happening? The other plates broke the time I was washing them.
Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Oh, a whole woman who is capable of having children in her husband's house cannot handle plate when she washes it. Eh? Is it to break? Wait.
It's okay now. Stop it this girl. How did the rest break? Tell me. It was one day when I was serving him food. And when I was serving him food, he started beating me. So when he was beating me, the place just fell down there and broke. It's not my fault, though.
You are a fool. You are a big fool.
Ezugo. The way you handle this girl is not good, though. I'm now warning you.
Ezugo, stop it, it's not good though.
Oh, so you are warning me now? So it's my fault that she's not mature. It's my fault that she's behaving like a fool. If she was behaving like a responsible child, will I now look like I'm the most wicked person in this community to my own brother's child? Eh?
You said it to yourself. This girl is no longer a child, so stop maltreating her.
Ishoma is no longer a child. Okay. They say you are no longer a child. Eh? Behave like an adult.
Let's go, it's okay now. What is wrong with yourself? Hey!
Don't let me see you in this house. Eh? Don't let me see you in this house. No fear.
It's okay, It's okay, stop crying. You go,
I'm not going this house.
You will go. No, you will enter.
I'm not. No. You don't know the way this man beats me.
Isioma, enter house now.
I'll stay here. Wait.
Isioma, please enter house. Oh, you no go want me. Oh, Nebiko, please. Oh, please. You no go no. Oh yeah.
Please make sure you plumb these walls very well, okay? Please, I need a neat job, please.
I get it.
Sir, good day, sir.
Young man, what can I do for you?
Sir, that's exactly what I came here to ask you. Sir, how would I be of help to you in this project?
Okay.
I'm a laborer. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you think you can do?
Sir, virtually everything, sir. I know how to mold. I know how to make cement. I even can carry bags just now. Even these blocks here, I can carry these blocks. Everything, you name it.
But you don't look experienced in the job.
Sir, sir, who told you? I'm very experienced in this kind of job. Very, very experienced. I'm very hardworking, very strong too.
Okay. You know what? Follow the other laborers and carry blocks upstairs. Let me see what you can do.
Sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much. In fact, sir, I will start right now for you.
Wait. Hope you will not fail me.
Never. I can never disappoint you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. You can go.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. You there? Please, I need a very good job. Hope you know that. And we have 3 months to deliver this job. Okay. I'm counting on you.
Your uncle talks about his wife that he sends away, like she was evil. The whole village knows the truth. He maltreated that woman as if she was a slave, even his own child.
Auntie, even me. Sometimes I feel like running away. Just that I don't know where to run to.
Nowhere to run to. This is your village, and he is your uncle. Just pray so that God will deliver you.
At times like this, all I do is to remember my parents and I feel like crying.
My dear, don't cry. Please, be strong. No one can live with that man. That man is a very wicked man.
Like death. Oh, where is thy strength? Because I know if my parents were to be alive, I wouldn't be here by now.
Isioma, it's okay. Wipe away your tears. Stop crying. Oh?
I don't know what to do, Auntie. I just think of my parents all the time. And I know if they were alive, I'll be in the university. I'm sick and tired of the way I live my life. I'm tired.
What has he said about funding your education?
The other day I asked him to give me money to go and buy my JAMB form. And he asked me if I must go to the university. Auntie, I'm tired of this. I'm sick and tired. Even if it's to go out there and learn a trade, Auntie, I don't mind.
That is a sensible suggestion. Because you want to be useful in life, I suggest you go back home, prepare food for him, before he comes back and has another excuse to flog you.
This time of the day. Why is your face like this? What's going on?
Brother, I've suffered. Atagomshabuki. I have never been more disgraced in my entire life.
Wait, what happened? Talk to me, what happened?
Is it not that demon that calls himself my principal? Eh? Brother, that man called me out in the devotion hall this morning before the entire students and insulted me simply because I've not paid my school fees. Brother, this is not a laughing matter now. Why are you laughing?
No, it's okay, I'm sorry. If I don't laugh, what are you going to do? Should I cry?
Okay, laugh.
No, it's okay.
No, laugh me, laugh.
Okay,
just
sorry,
laugh.
Sorry,
laugh.
Now, eh?
I don't even know you are my principal. Who is more? Who is more?
See this one? Use it for your school fees. Yes. And this one, use it to buy some food stock for our house, okay?
Eh?
And you keep this one. This one, keep up here. This is your own. This is for me to keep.
Brother, where did you get all this money from?
I'm working at a building site. And everybody there, they are using their own tools. So I asked my supervisor to give me some upfront that I can be able to get my own tools.
But bro, I thought you already have some tools.
And that's the idea. I actually wanted to collect the money so we can use it for our basic needs.
Brother, thank you so much. Brother, you are the man. Hey, brother, you are the man. He did too much. Hey, brother, he did too much. Brother, you are the man. You are the man. He did too much.
Hey, God, please provide for me. Provide for me so I can be able to help my little brother. I love him so much, God. Please, I beg you.
see? How can you see? Isn't it better that you go blind? So that I will know that you are completely useless to me. Oh, Mama. Which Mama? Oh, the Mama that misled my brother unto his death? Or the witch Mama that didn't know that there is no room for the wicked? Thank God, death took her away too. Nonsense.
But Uncle, I did nothing wrong to deserve this now. I did nothing wrong. I only came out here to read because I didn't want to disturb you.
How many times have I warned you not to stay out at night? Eh? Or you have one of these useless men who comes here every night to see you.
Look, I don't have a boyfriend.
Okay, it's a man friend. Very soon you will get pregnant. And the next thing people will say is that I am the one that's not taking care of you properly. Eh? I'm even talking to you. Come on, get inside. Look at her. Like mother, like daughter. Nonsense. I know what I went through in the hands of your mother, who would not even allow my brother to take care of me. Nonsense. She even used my stew. Idiot.
What's your problem? How dare you go and collect my shovel without my permission, Izunda? Is this shovel for you? Izunda, don't show me that coordination of yours! You're a thief! Me? Thief? You're a thief! Walk out! Your papa! Who? You know, if you're a man, come and take this shovel. You're a madman! This is a madman! My shovel! Come and collect it! What's happening here? God! You want to tell me you have the guts to turn my fight into a wrestling ring? No, not me. That is idiot. You know what? I want the two of you out of this fight this minute. Zuna, I did not speak Swahili. No, sir. You two are fired. Zuna, make sure you bring back the upfront I gave you to buy working tools. You hear me? Or else. Forgive him now. I'll use the police on you. Now out of my sight. I
Izu. Why are you looking like someone who lost his wife during childbirth? DK, I lost it. You lost? Lost what? I lost the job you helped me get. What? How? Did the building collapse? No, it's not Arenze. Arenze, he has started again. A fight broke up between two of us at the site. And our supervisor said both of us should leave the site. Arenze again. Is it not that boy whose mother got his pregnancy in the north only to come home in Igbo land to deliver? When will he ever change? When will Arinze ever change? Do you know that he nearly raped my daughter with that his uncircumcised penis? I would have slaughtered him. I would have murdered him if he had tried it. Take out. Here. The God that provided that job for you will still bring another, even better one. You should go home and rest. You should go home and rest. Hear me. Just go home, go and rest. Stop worrying yourself. Good night. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me.
I said it all. I said it that Arinze, that madman Arinze, will bomb this village one day. I said it. The blood of his people flows seriously in him. Eh? Instead of him to go back to where he came from, he is here in this village, wreaking all sorts of havoc. Arinze will bomb this village one day. Let the Igwe do something, no? Let the Igwe do something. But brother, it's okay now. Eh? It's okay. Eh? God will punish that madman Arinze and give you another job. Eh? It's okay.
Chiboy, you will not understand. Eh? You will not understand. I waited for so long in hunger and suffering before this job came my way.
God will bring another job your way.
All our lives, we've known nothing but suffering. Suffering. Our parents died, leaving us all alone.
It's okay.
Life is not fair.
It's okay.
It's not fair.
Now you want to make me cry my own. It's okay now. It's okay. Now you want to make me cry my own. It's okay. Let me cry since you want to do. Come. No, let me cry. Since you want me to cry, let us cry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let me cry. No, wait.
I'm not crying.
Since you want us to cry, let me cry.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
No, wait. Let me cry. Now. You want us to cry? Let me cry. Let me cry.
Ibungaji sindumue Ibungalabaji sindumue Jehovah nisi Ibungalaba Ibungalabaji sindumue. You are the pillar that holds my life. You are the pillar that holds my life. Jehovah Shammah, you are the pillar that holds my life. Jehovah Nisi, you are the pillar that holds my life. You are the pillar that holds my life.
Hey. Can't I get a good sleep because I inherited you? Huh?
No, Uncle, I didn't know you were still awake. I thought you had
You thought?
slept.
Look at her. You thought. Every normal human being is sleeping by now. You're here performing witchcraft. You thought?
I thought you were asleep.
Shut up your mouth. So you did not even eat your food? You want people to say I'm not taking care of you. By the time you grow leaner and leaner, they will say I'm the one that is so wicked that I'm not taking care of you. Okay. I see you have plenty of time and energy. You will use it well now.
Uncle, I'm just...
Shut up your mouth! Go and wash my dirty clothes. Go and pack them now and start washing. Quickly!
Uncle,
Come!
Uncle, I'll wash them tomorrow. It's late. I can't start washing.
You are telling me
No.
when you want to do what I ask you to do?
No.
Brother, you didn't eat your food.
I wasn't ready hungry.
After all the stress of today, why are you doing this? Have you been crying?
No, maybe that means where I was hit during the fight.
Sorry.
It's okay. Thanks for your care.
Do I have any other brother in this world? If I don't care for you, who will I care for? No.
That's alright. All the same. Go to bed.
What about the food? You want me to make something else for you?
No, I'm okay.
Good night, brother.
Okay, good night.
Say you're fine.
Fine.
Aggressive visit, Izuna. The evil you did yesterday has come to live with you. Now let me tell you something, Aranze. Since we are jobless, we're going to fight. Let me tell you, we occupied our time in fighting. Aranze, let's kill ourselves.
It is not by me. It is fine. Izuna, you are the least of all my problems. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in a hurry, Izuna. Come and fight me. You want to fight? Come and fight me. Come and fight me! You want to fight, Izuna? Come and fight me, Izuna! Come and fight! Izuna, put it down! Put it down!
To lose my job. You know what it took me to get that job? Fatima, come again. Aren't you come? Come. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh. Wait.
Sorry. But brother, how can you still go to his house and fight him again?
How do you mean? That bastard made me lose my job.
But going to fight him in his place will not bring back your job, will it?
You're right. But I have to show him how much sorrow he has brought to me.
Brother, that was a waste of your precious time. Abba, precious time that you would have used to go and beg your supervisor, or even go around to see if you will get another job.
That's true. You're right. And that's why I like you, because you think like an old man.
But I'm an old man. No? Was I not named after our grandfather?
That's true. Wait, oh! Wait now. Gee, wait. Hey, you. Hi.
Wait.
They don't do massage.
We've not even started. Even this your leg, I've not even... Where are you going now? Hey, would you? Hi.
Sir, Zuna, what are you doing here?
Sir.
Didn't I tell you that I don't ever want to see you set your foot on this site again?
Sir, please, I beg you, sir. I take God beg you. Sir, I swear I will never fight again. Never. Sir, as you see me like this, I'm a breadwinner of my family. Just me, sir, please, I beg you. Temper justice with mercy. Please, sir. As I speak to you, sir, we don't even have one cup of rice to eat. Nothing we have. Please, I beg you, sir. Help me.
Izuna, didn't you think of all this before you went on flexing muscles? Didn't you? You know what? Please get out of my sight. I don't want to see you in this side again.
Sir, Biko, no. I beg you, sir.
I see you don't want to leave. But I think calling the police would be a better option.
No, sir.
Okay? That reminds me. When are you giving me the money I loaned you to buy walking tools?
Sir, No, sir.
Izuna.
Sir?
Whenever I come for that money, I promise you give me that money that day.
Okay, sir.
Nonsense.
What are we going to do now? Why is everything just falling apart?
My brother, this life is not fair. It's not fair at all.
Brother, you are very correct too. Life is not fair at all.
And do we have anything inside to eat?
We have everything. Everything. I boiled the last yam last night now.
Hey!
How?
Chibo!
Akwanwa.
Chibo, who is this girl?
I don't know how, but I heard she just came into the village from the city. Brother, where are you going?
I want to find out who this girl is.
But you've not even seen her before. You just saw her today.
That's exactly what I'm about to do now. Let's wait. Look after the help.
Brother,
wait now.
Oh. Onemana. Oh. For something I showed you.
Hi. My name is Zuna. Call me Izo. Hello, beautiful angel who stays in heaven. What are you doing here on earth? Well, I just passed by to let you know that I love you so much. You are my wife. Just follow. No. That is how You know, when I actually saw you pass by my house, and something instantly struck my mind. Something told me that you are my wife. You know, and I'm so much in love with you. Good afternoon.
How dare you look at me in that manner?
Arenze, I'm in the middle of something that is very important in my life. I beg, leave me alone.
Look at you. I thought you said you have the power to die and wake up again. You are above human destruction. Why this begging?
Arenze, it's like you are deaf and dumb. I just said something to you. Leave me alone now.
Look at you. You're a fool. Weakling.
Thank you, sir.
You are here rehearsing how you talk to women. When people like us, Arins and Wajuku, they walk around the village. They collect them one after the other.
Thank you. May God bless your life.
Fool.
Thank you, sir.
Shut up!
My lips are sealed.
I wonder the kind of woman who could fall in love with you. They vomit you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, boss. Sing head. We don't be here to talk. I say thank you. This guy. Hi. My name is Izo.
Everybody, you should come and see Isioma, the beautiful goddess.
She said to come to this room with me today. Oh,
You see, baby. The choice of all the youth of this Obiligwe village.
No, ma. The sugar mouth.
Oh.
What is all this noise for? What's so special about Isioma that you people want to destroy my eardrum here? Akudo. Is Isioma not our friend?
And so you should be happy that she joined us in the river.
As if I care. Well, I am Isioma. In case you... No. I remember. Yes. The one with her parents. Like most of us here. Akudo! You dare remind me of my parents? That is not just all. Yes. I'll also remind you that your walls are a house call in your uncle's house. Please, don't touch me. Please.
Shut up!
Please don't touch me. Please, don't touch me, please.
Let her go! What is her business?
I see. She's going nowhere.
Let the lady go. 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 Go.
She's going nowhere.
Go.
She's going nowhere.
Okay, fine. Since you guys wouldn't want the woman.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Are you sure this is where you threw it?
Yes. That's why I started running from.
Okay, let's just keep searching.
I think it's that area.
Come. I'm seeing something. I think that's it. Come. And that's it, right? Is it right?
Yeah.
But it's unfortunate the water has leaked. Oh, you know what? Let's get to the stream and refill it fast. Come. Yes. Very good, right? You like everything that we do to you. So let's know how to keep your life.
My friends were here.
Oh, then must have left. That's always around 50 degrees. I don't know. What kind of water that I've never been in before. It's that down.
Come on, help me.
No, my lady, not to worry. You've already been through a lot. I'll carry it for you.
Ah, no, don't worry. Not already.
Listen, a man whose heart is troubled seeks a solution.
Am I your solution?
Yes, you are.
Here you go again with your flattering.
Oh, it's no flattering. Every man seeks for that which gives him happiness. And I think I found mine.
No, don't worry.
Don't go, Lord. You don't hear me. Zuna.
So, what are you doing around the bush?
Communing with nature.
Oh.
What?
Nothing.
So how far you say your house is again?
Are you tired? I can help you.
No, I'm not tired. I can go extra miles for the one who pleases my heart.
You're such a romantic man.
Well, if that is a compliment, I accept it wholeheartedly.
You're keeping her waiting, young man.
The most beautiful amongst women, the oil that is rubbed on the feet of the king, giving him footprints as he steps. I greet you.
You must really like him, my queen.
Like is an understatement. I want him.
My queen. He's a commoner and you're royalty.
What are you saying, Oloma?
I'm saying both of you are worlds apart and two parallel can never meet.
But we just met, isn't it?
So what are you suggesting?
I can't wait to be gripped, mourning under his grip.
My queen, how do you intend to achieve this? Take him to the palace? The king will cut your throat. Oh, you want to take him to the hotel? Everyone will hear about it, even your husband will hear about it.
I've mapped out a plan. Since my husband, the Igwe, cannot give me that which I desire, I will get a man who will give me a good sex, make love to me the way I want it.
So, what are your plans, if I may ask?
I am building myself a house in a secluded area.
What?
Yeah. It is called a secret place, where the man I love so much will always come to see me.
You must be a master planner, I must say.
I told you. I told you.
Whatever pleases my queen, whatever gives you happiness, I'm with you.
Isioma?
Yes, sir.
Where have you been?
Uncle, I'm just coming back from the river.
River?
Yes, Uncle.
So, you have the guts to leave my house for 3 hours. You will go and frolic with all your boys. And you come back to tell me you went to the river.
Uncle, no. I did not go to it.
Shut up, that's your lying mouth.
Uncle, it's the truth I'm saying. I swear to God, I'm telling you the truth. Uncle, you don't even know what happened to me. When I went to the river to fetch water, as I was coming out, two boys, they started chasing me. So I dropped the gallon and I ran for my dear life. So by the time I came back, all the water in my gallon had already leaked and I had to take it back to the river again to refill it.
Oh. So, there are actually boys in the story.
But the boys, they tried to rape me, Uncle. I'm not lying to you. I'm not like even some of my...
Go down. Go down on your knees. Go on your knees. You want us to run around this village again?
No, but I'm telling you this.
You're walking away.
No.
I said go on your knees.
Uncle, no, Uncle, no.
looking everywhere for you. Are you alright? Brother, what is it? Brother, Ogini, I'm fine. What is it? I'm fine. What happened? No, you're not fine. Look at me. What happened? I'm fine. What is it? I'm fine. No, you're not fine. Very fine. What happened to you? Ogini, what happened? Brother, look at. What happened? I'm fine. No, you're not fine. Where have you been all day?
I went driving with Oloma to have a feel of nature, my lord. Were you looking for me?
Oh, of course, I looked everywhere for you.
Oh, now that I'm here, why don't you do with me whatever that pleases you, my lord?
I have been in this long meeting, and I am tired.
My husband, sex is a therapy.
Really?
Yes.
But Goma, you know that I am not as young as I used to be.
But I'm a young woman and I need the warmth of my husband.
Yeah, I used to enjoy that too, which is wrapping my hand around you like this and watching you sleep, Let me just freshen up, I'm coming. Hey.
I was sick for my happiness. I will not remain in bondage for the rest of my life for marrying a wretched old man, wasted old man.
Are you conscious of what you're doing? How? You wouldn't want the Igwe to know that your mind is not at rest.
Has my mind ever been at rest here?
You managed to put up a face.
I'm a sad woman and cannot continue to live in pretense.
But my queen, you have to smile. It is necessary now.
For how long? For how long will I continue in this torture?
My queen, you have conceived a way to seek for pleasure and happiness.
That is true. But there is nothing like total freedom. I thought of him all night, while he would snore and sleep like a pig after sucking my breast like a baby.
Oh my queen, at least he does something.
Yes, he does something, which is arouse me and leave me helplessly. I hate that impotent man. I hate him. I hate him so much. I would take my revenge. Izuna. Oh, Izuna. I wish he was here. I know his touch is so electrifying.
But brother, how could you go and fight two hefty men over a girl?
What are you saying? What could I have done? Allow them to rape her?
That's not what I mean.
So what do you mean?
What if they had injured you beyond this?
Eh?
What if they had broken your legs, blinded your eyes, or even killed you, what would you have told God in heaven? That you are trying to save a girl?
I'm sure that God will have been very proud of me. Very proud.
I knew that's what you would say, no? I knew. If she likes, let her go ahead and parade the whole forest, expecting one man to jump down from the tree and save her.
Oh, you two talk.
I will talk. I will talk, because there's no way I'm going to sit silently in this house and watch my brother, the only person I have in this world, kill himself. I will talk,
Listen, Isioma is going to the river this morning. So I have to go and meet her.
Chineke, is it this bad?
Listen, I'll be fine. Take care of the house, okay?
Take care of which house?
Just take care of the house now.
Which river are you going?
Chief, you don't start. I said take care of
which river again? Because you come back now. You come back now with injuries. I will follow you to that river.
My lord, I didn't hear you walking.
I have been watching you for some time now. Now I ask, what troubles my lord?
Nothing. I am fine. I'm very fine, my lord.
That wasn't what I observed. You were so far away in your thoughts. What were you thinking about?
What else is there to think about if not to make my lord happy?
That sounds comforting when you sound like this.
My lord, you are all I've got. Let me inform the chef of what to prepare for you.
Just a minute. Are you happy with me?
Yes, my lord. I am very happy with you. I mean, who would have made me the happiest woman on earth if not you?
I hope so.
Thank you, my lord. Excuse me.
I can't see.
It means that she's not here.
So what do?
We wait.
Huh? You mean we have to sit at this river and wait for a girl who might have filled up all their pots and might have no need to come to the river today?
Chiboy, go home. I'll wait for her.
I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here today and wait for you.
Okay, you want to wait with me?
Yes, I will stay here and wait.
Okay. Since you want to wait with me, you will shut up.
So just shut up. Take that. Brother, we've been waiting here now for 5 straight hours. And yet no sign of this girl. Eh? Wouldn't it be wise for us to just go home?
Shh, Chibro, I told you. Go home. Go home, I'll wait for her.
Brother, a man has to wait only when there is something to wait for. In this case, I don't see what we're waiting for.
Good afternoon. You don't understand, you don't get it. Listen, I can smell her presence. Like Vicky would say, the wind brings her closer.
That wind must be a very slow wind. Eh? Brother, believe me when I tell you she's not coming.
She's not coming. How do you know?
The voice within.
Where's the voice within? Listen, you know what we'll do? We'll wait a little longer. You understand? If she doesn't show up, fine. We'll go home and return tomorrow.
Huh?
Yes.
Go and return tomorrow. You and who?
Me and you.
No, I'm not coming back here tomorrow. And you're not even coming back.
You stay to the house.
Brother, let's go.
Leave me now. Follow these girls. They live closer to our house.
I beg. Let's go, I beg. How can somebody just come here and say, wait, you talk with somebody is coming. Okay, did you see her? Oh, brother, let's go, I beg.
Leave me now.
Let's go, I beg. I can't stay here again. 5 hours now. What are you even looking at?
Don't worry.
My queen, you have to be very careful this time. Don't give Igwe the room to suspect you.
Have I done anything wrong for him to suspect me?
Needless to say, your ambition is written all over your face. And you know Igwe is an experienced man. Therefore, he will begin to notice when you're seeing someone else.
Is it my fault?
No, he won't say it that way. I can tell you, his anger can be more disastrous than you can imagine.
Huloma, whose side are you on?
Huh? My queen, I'm on your side and I'll always be on your side. But we don't have to throw caution to the wind.
Isn't that why I have you? In my quest for happiness, I know I might have made some stupid mistakes.
May God not let our mistakes lead us to our being discovered.
Uloma, if I should be bothered about someone, that person should be you.
My lady, me?
Yes, because you are the only one who can betray me. As for Igwe, I can take care of him comfortably.
How can I betray you? How can I even think of that? You that brought me out of poverty and miserable life. No, I can't betray you.
We both are from poor backgrounds. However, you remain a woman.
Ezugo! Are you looking for your lost goat or fowl? Ezugo!
Mbadi, I am not here for pleasantries. Eh? You can see, my face is not delighted though.
What troubles you?
Isioma troubles me. Go in and bring her out now.
Hey, Ezugo, I hope you have not succeeded in chasing that girl away. Because if you do, I will lead the women of this village to Igwe's palace in protest.
Hey.
If that girl get missing over.
Hey. Seriously, Isioma left the house last night. Since last night. And she has refused to come back home.
Hey, the girl that is living with you left the house since last night. And you are just looking for her by this time of the day.
Is she here or not?
She's not here.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Ezugo. Go and find her. Hey, shameless man. Go and find her. Hey, look at this man.
Who is in this house? Ujungwa? Uju!
Nah, good day.
What is good about this day? Eh?
Sorry.
You will be sorrier if you do not go in there now and get her out.
Get her? Who now?
One more stupid question from you, eh? You see this cane? I will lay you down here and give you 100 lashes. Now where is Isioma?
Isioma is not here.
So it is true. Birds of the same feather actually flock together.
Nah, I swear, she's not here.
Okay. It's okay. I will grab a chair and wait for your father.
No, nah.
When he comes. So, you don't want your father to hear. And you don't want to give me Isioma. You want me to keep quiet. Give me what I want, and I will seal my lips. We are now going to hear the true story.
Fire! She has gone, no.
Gone to where?
To your house now.
You know, you see this village? There are many liars. You are the one I admire the most.
Nah, but I swear.
Don't even swear. Because the more you swear, the more I disbelieve you. Now, where is she?
Well, now you have to believe me. She only slept here last night, though. And she left early in the morning and said she was going home.
You want me to believe you? Okay. Let me search the house.
No! My father will not like that.
So what will your father like? Oh, okay. He will like the idea that you harbored my brother's daughter in his house all night, secretly.
No, my father will kill me.
If you don't want him to kill you, let me search the house.
Okay, if you say you want to search the house, you can come and search. But you still see that I'm telling you the truth. Come and search now. I'll search.
Anyway, whenever you run into that witch friend of yours, tell her that I will personally strangle her with my hands if I find her myself.
Nani, how can you call your own daughter a witch?
That one. My daughter. I can never have a child like that.
Hey!
Why did you come to fetch water again, like you said?
I've been running since yesterday.
Running? Who's chasing you? That's my brother. His name is Etiko. He even joined me yesterday waiting for you.
Thank God you are a beautiful lady. If I had gone through this stress for an ugly woman, I would never have forgiven my brother for the rest of his life.
Tell me what happened.
Because I came back late from the stream yesterday.
You didn't explain to him what happened?
I did, but he never believes anyone.
Ha! Which kind of person is that? See Lucifer?
I wonder.
Do you know what to do, eh? Don't worry. I'll follow you to your house.
Hey! Hey, no. No, he will kill me.
Why now? No, Isioma, he will not kill you. Then someone has got to explain to him.
No. Who will I tell him that you are?
Tell him I'm the man who saved your life yesterday. That's all.
Oh,
Come now, don't worry.
She's going nowhere.
Let the lady go. Go.
She's going nowhere.
Go.
She's going nowhere.
Okay, fine. Since you guys really want the woman.
Come and help me.
No, my lady. Not to worry. You've already been through a lot. I'll carry it for you.
No, don't worry. You've been through a lot already.
Listen, a man whose heart is troubled seeks a solution.
Am I your solution?
Yes, you are.
Here you go again with your flattering.
Oh, it's no flattering. Every man seeks for that which gives him happiness. And I think I found mine. Let the lady go. So how far you say your house is again?
Are you tired? I can help you.
No, I'm not tired. I can go extra miles for the one who pleases my heart.
You're such a romantic man.
Bye-bye. Anybody in? Who is there?
Just praise around.
Anybody at home? Izuna!
What do you want? And what do you want?
Izu! You're the great warrior.
Izuna, we want more fight. More fight, that's what we want.
Don't mind me, you're joking. Not the kind of fight we had the other time. Just calm down.
I don't understand.
This time around, Izuna, we are fighting to entertain.
Fighting to entertain.
Yes. Entertain.
I still don't get it.
Okay. The Igwe loves watching wrestling. Since he can't come out to the village square to watch wrestling, they have arranged us, I mean you and me, to come to the palace and wrestle before him and get paid.
If I understand you correctly, you were saying that the Igwe loves entertainment.
Yes, Izu.
and he wants us to wrestle before him.
That's just it. Oh. Isn't now?
Easy, my man.
So how do I look?
My queen, you're the very quintessence of beauty.
Thank you.
My queen, the Igwe demands to see you.
What does he want?
Some wrestlers are here to entertain him, so he demands you sit beside him.
Oh no. Okay.
My queen, I think you have to go. You have to be there.
Why do I have to give him everything that he desires? And yet I do not get whatever I desire from him. Why? Take a very good look at me. I cannot remember the last time he made love to me on that bed.
My queen, the Igwe is not much of a youth.
Then let him go and get his mate. I am not his mate.
My queen, the Igwe awaits you.
I'm so in love with this man. I am madly in love with this man. I can no longer control myself.
My queen, he's a very fine man.
Yes, he is everything I want in a man.
My queen, that is a very dangerous desire.
I love danger. I love danger. I can't wait to hear myself screaming under him, touching me.
And what if he says no?
Listen, Obama. No one looks royalty on the face and says no. He will take my absences as an open door.
And what if he has another woman in his life?
Then she will have no choice but to share him with me.
Where you go now?
DK!
DK the great hunter.
Izu! DK! This one, your face is shining. Let me guess. You have found another job.
No, this is not about finding another job. This is about falling in love.
Hey! That's good news, though. Eh? But who is that lucky one?
DK, I will not tell you. It's my secret. After all, when you hunters go to the forest, there are some things you see. You don't come to tell us. It's my secret.
You and your smart brain. I'm watching. You know, love does not hide for too long. I will know it. Let's be moving. Yes. Now wine. I go drink.
My queen, here he comes.
He seems to be happy.
Yes, my queen.
Wow. Why do you think so?
don't know. I guess it's always lower off. Oloma, why do you always say the wrong things at the right time? Listen, I'm happy with Iso.
Sorry, my queen. I'm so sorry for my ill-timed comment.
Ill-timed comment, indeed. Sometimes I wonder if you are not happy that I'm happy.
No, my queen. I know my duty is to make you happy. And I'll always make you happy. I can't be the source of your unhappiness. No. So what do we do now?
Seeing him is enough consolation. To the palace.
I've never been this happy in a long while.
Yeah, me too.
You know, life has been a living hell for me ever since my parents died.
Tell me, what was life like when your parents were alive?
Life was full of happiness. Everything I ever wanted, my father bought for me. My mother was like my best friend. She loved me more than even her own self. Life was so beautiful until death snatched them away from me.
Death? Why, were they sick?
No. My father died in an accident. And 2 years later, my mother died from a heart disease. That was when everything changed. My uncle Ezugu squandered everything my father left behind. This wasn't the life they wanted for me.
Hey, it's alright. Alright? It's alright. I may not be rich, but I have the determination that success is mine. I may be very weak, but I will protect you with everything I'm made of. Everything. Because I love you.
I may have doubts in everything, but in you, I trust. Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. Come here. Are you hurting?
Yes. I just lost my virginity.
I know. And I'm sorry.
No. There's no need to be sorry. I have no regrets. My body belongs to you now.
I love you so much.
Come. It's your man. So who is he?
Who is he?
Don't tell me you don't know who I'm talking about. Don't tell me that.
I've never seen you this excited. The way you have been so excited this month.
Uncle, I don't know what you're...
Shut up. Who is the man that has been giving you all of this excitement? You know, I have been in this world 40 years before you came. And I know what it means to be in love. I may not have a wife, but I have been in love before. I can see it in your eyes. You're in love. See, Isioma, I promised my late brother, your father, that I will raise you up in a good way and give you proper discipline. But, Isioma, what I will not take is for you to bring me a pauper as a husband. A man who cannot even feed himself, who cannot even pay your dowry. A man who doesn't know his left from his right. Now, if this description fits the man that has been giving you so much excitement that you are now radiating, take a walk. Take a walk. Isioma, take a walk. Because if you disappoint me, oh la la la, I will slaughter you. I will slaughter you and I will go and wait for that pauper in the bush and gun him down. Huh? Do you understand? Go. Come. One more thing. I don't want to see any unwanted pregnancy in this house. Isioma. Did you hear that?
Yes, Uncle, but...
Let that.
My queen, you never told me the good news. What good news are you talking about? That the Igwe has finally made you proud as a woman. What rubbish are you talking about? Is it possible for a man who cannot live with a woman and impregnate her? Is it possible? Huh? Well, no. I am only wondering what it will look like. If I get pregnant for his name.
My queen, you have to take that fantasy off your mind. That would be an abomination.
What would it look like if I make Izuna my secret lover?
But it's not the same as allowing him to get you pregnant.
Uloma, I am beginning to sense you are not happy that I am having something to do with Izuna.
My queen, I've always been there for you, and there's nothing that will ever make me plan anything against you.
But people change. Well, as I was saying, I can't wait to carry Izuna's baby.
What is the matter with you? What is wrong with you?
Uncle, I've not been feeling well. My tummy has been turning me and I've been a little bit feverish.
Isioma. Isioma. Isioma.
Yes, uncle.
How many times did I call you? How many times? I hope you are not pregnant.
God forbid. No. It's just that my eyes has been turning me since, and you know, I've just been having fever.
You have fever?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Come. Jake, go to Jambu. You know Jambu who sells medicine? Go to him, tell him I say he should give you malaria medicine. Bring my change, yo.
Okay.
You did not even tell me that you had anything to do with Izuna. I am supposed to be your best friend.
I'm sorry I didn't let you know. But that's not the most important thing now. I've not seen my period. And my uncle is suspecting me already.
This will be disastrous. I can't even begin to imagine what he will do to you if you're truly pregnant.
Hi. So what do we do now?
We? Was it you and I that went to sleep with him together?
Okay, I'm sorry I came to you.
Wait now. That was just a joke. Anyway, there is this woman who massages pregnant women. I equally heard she gives women who do not want to keep their pregnancies some sort of local herbs to get rid of it.
Is this safe?
Yes. Besides, I heard she keeps sealed lips about things like this.
What is it? Is everything all right?
There is a small problem. A small problem.
What?
You are pregnant. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? You're a big girl. You know what to do if you don't want to keep the pregnancy. What is that? Stop crying, okay?
Stop crying.
Listen, you have to stop crying. You are breaking my heart with your tears.
My uncle will kill me.
No. No. He will not kill you. Okay? Listen, I'm going to work hard, save some money, and pay your bride price. But you have to be strong for me.
What if it becomes noticeable? My uncle will kill me before you come to marry me.
I understand. But one thing you have to know is this is not the end of the world. Just, you'll be fine. Alright? You'll be fine. Close your eyes. Stop crying. And I assure you, every time you open them, everything will be fine.
You took the right decision by coming to tell me. In this situation, the first thing to be considered is who is responsible and what is the person saying?
Well, his name is Izuna Chebe, the one that stays with his only brother.
Izuna. Okay, Izuna. I know him. He is a hardworking man. Although things have been very difficult for them since they lost their parents.
And he promised to come and pay my bride price immediately he comes up with some money.
He is a responsible man. Isioma, does your uncle know about this?
Hey, no. My uncle will kill me if he finds out.
I know.
He doesn't know.
I know. But how will you manage to keep it secret?
I don't know. That's why I've come to you. He's already suspecting that I'm pregnant, though he's not sure.
Let's pray he does not find out. Because the decision you and Izuna are taking is good. Not like the other girls who will run out to go and commit abortion. You are a good girl. Oh?
Thank you, Ma.
Uju, God will bless you. Oh?
Yes.
Heather, you've been wearing this long face for the past 3 days now. What is it?
Chibo, I'm fine. I'm very fine.
Something is not right. Since when did you stop sharing secrets with me?
Okay, you want to know?
Of course I want to know.
You want to know, Abi?
Yes, no.
Good. Isioma is pregnant.
What?
Yes.
So what happens now?
Nothing. The only thing that is there is for me to raise money and pay her bride price. That's all.
But then you have to...
Good morning.
The Queen sent me to you.
The Queen?
Relax, Izu. The Queen requests you come with me to her building at the new layout.
Have I done something wrong?
Nobody is accusing you. Just come with me, okay?
Okay, please, just a minute, please.
Okay.
The Queen sent her to take me.
The Queen?
Yes.
Go.
Wait. Look after the house, okay? Please just stop. Look at this place. There are no houses around here.
Yes, you're right. There are no houses around here, but there's a house here. A newly and secretly built house. Not even the king knows about it. Don't be scared, Izu.
Well, I wish my heart could take it as you say it.
Izu, you're a blessed man.
What is that supposed to mean?
You understand very soon. This may shock you, Izu, but the queen built this house because of you.
How can a queen build a house for me? What is that supposed to mean?
Relax. Relax. You understand soon. Let's go. Surprised?
Yeah. I mean, no one could have actually guessed there's a place like this here.
That's the idea. Come on.
He's here. Send him in. Yes, ma'am.
Queen, he's here.
Your Majesty, Queen of our land, I greet you.
Maizuna.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Most handsome amongst men. Has any woman ever told you that you're the most handsome man in Obiligwe?
No, no, Your Majesty.
You are.
This.
Go on this bed. My sweet love to me, the way you
entertained
the Igwe, my husband.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, I can't do this. You're another man's wife, not any man, but Igwe of this land.
The Igwe cannot perform
Your Majesty, please.
This bed and make sweet love to me.
I can't. Please, Your Majesty, please. Please, I can't do this. I'm very sorry.
Seduction happened. So, I know him. It might take time, but he will come around. Stay with me.
I'm always with you, my queen.
I've always known that one with you is majority.
Thank you, my queen.
I have no doubt about you any longer.
Thank you, my queen.
You may now leave. I'll see you later. Help me water my flowers.
Thank you.
What do you want?
What does the queen want?
Whatever.
Isn't that the queen requests to see you?
Tell your queen to find herself another man who is willing to give her the pleasure that she seeks. This man is not interested.
You're making a very big mistake, Izuna.
No, it is you people that is making a bigger mistake. But as you can see, I'm on my way to work.
You call molding and building of blocks from one side to another a work?
Do not insult my person.
Izuna, get into the car. Sleeping with Queen Ugoma is an honor that kings kill for.
But I'm not a king.
Carpenter, bricklayer. Carpenter, bricklayer.
My queen, he refused to come with me.
There is only how far he can run.
So what's next? What do we do?
We will wait. He will run, but he will not hide. He will definitely come.
My queen, money is not everything.
I agree with you, Uloma. Money is not everything, but everything has a price.
You want to offer him money?
Yes.
So how much are we talking about here?
I will think about it.
Certainly, my queen. I think we have to go back to the palace. His Majesty will be looking for you.
Listen, don't tell me Zuna. Which kind of nonsense talk with this one? You call us to come to work from morning to now. We are working. Just for you to come to tell us the owner of this building flew to Abuja. So you are not going to give our money. You're not even talking to us in a better manner.
How is he want me to say it to you? Izuna, you are the rebel leader. And you've always been a rebel.
Give my money.
I told you I've never wanted you on this project.
If you pay me, I will go.
And for the rest of you, I remember I promised you I will pay you tomorrow. Wait, let me tell you something. Wait. Stop this rubbish! Stop this rubbish! Hold up! Wait!
Listen, you have to stop crying. You are breaking my heart with your tears.
My uncle will kill me.
No. He will not kill you. Okay? Listen, I'm going to work hard, save some money, and pay your bride price. But you have to be strong for me.
You needed to have seen his face when I offered him 200,000 naira. His needs were written all over his face. You can see it.
So do you think he will come around?
Uloma, you underestimate the power of money.
You're right, my queen.
If I had waited 1 more minute in his house, I'm sure he'll be crawling, saying yes at that spot. I can't wait 1 more second to be with him. He's enough.
My queen, I can see it in your eyes. Eyes don't lie.
I know. I'm sure he will be standing right there at the gate trying to find his way in. Go and check.
Isioma. So you have finally decided to bring shame and disgrace to me in this village. Shut up! So you have the guts. You have the guts to hide under my own roof with an unwanted pregnancy. Eh? Is it a lie?
Please, I'm begging you.
Okay.
Please.
So, you want to shame me? You have brought disgrace upon me in this village. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Do you know what I'm going to do?
Uncle, please.
Do you know what I will do?
Uncle, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
I am going to do you first. Then I will face the shame.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Please.
Nonsense. Don't let me see you in this house, okay? Don't let me see you ever in this house again. Go to that he-goat that got you pregnant. I warned you. Did I not? Nonsense.
Isioma, I am not surprised.
Auntie, what do I do now?
It is already late. So you will sleep here tonight. Tomorrow, I will go and speak to your uncle. Then you will go to Izuna's house. Okay? Clean your tears. Eh? Stop crying. It's okay.
Chibo, what is it? Eh? What happened to your stomach? What happened to your stomach? What did you eat? Stomach is on fire. Chibo, what happened to you now? Chibo! Chibo, wait. Go. Chibo, go. Chibo!
I will not. I cannot. And will never, ever, ever take to this suggestion you are giving me. Never.
Ezugo, people will frown at your decision to send her to the man in question without formal arrangement between the two families.
Formal arrangement between the two families? Was there formal arrangement between the two families before they took off their clothes and started sleeping with each other? Was there a formal arrangement?
The most important thing is the man in question is not denying it.
Since you know the man is not denying it, take charge now. Go and wed them. Take charge.
Why do you sound like this? Is she not your daughter?
Daughter. So, you think that one, that idiot, that goat, can be my own daughter? It's not possible. My own blood will not do that thing she did. In fact, she's not even a member of her family. She took after her mother. Her mother was worse when she was alive.
Ezugo, how could you say that of the dead?
Dead? Oh, okay. She's dead. But her atrocities are still alive. And in her daughter.
Tufiakwa gimoke nka.
Hey! Why didn't you go and Tufiakwa the he-goat that got her pregnant? Why didn't you? Has truth ever been sweet in the ears? Truth is bitter, very painful. Oh, have I not been vindicated now? Eh? Has she not gone to get pregnant out of wedlock? Oh.
Perhaps it is better that she has gone to seek for her own future. Okay. Hope lies not in you.
No. Hope. Do I look like a man who dashes hope? I'm not a hope giver. In fact, hope is for lazy people. Me, I am a realist. I say it the way it should be said. If you find wisdom in what I have said, you take it. If you don't find wisdom and you say you will not take it, it's okay. You stay there and remain stupid.
Ezugo. Okwishori gemonte. Ishori gemonte okwa. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, eh?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
You wouldn't have left now. Are you not one of them? Do you even like it? Do you like my footstep? Or do you like my footprints on the ground?
Izu, do you want to kill yourself?
You don't get it. You just don't get it. I have few days to raise 50,000 naira. That's my brother, my only brother will be dead. Where can I raise such an amount from? Where?
Do you think giving yourself high blood pressure would bring 50,000 naira?
Okay, so what do I do then?
I believe in miracles. I believe that God will provide the money or bring someone that will give us the money for free. Or better still, offer us a job to do and He will pay us. I believe so. Izuna.
Yes.
Don't you believe in God? Don't you believe in miracles?
Yeah. I do believe in miracles.
It's okay. God will provide.
Isn't that the Queen request to you?
Don't be scared, Izu.
I wish my heart could take it to say it.
Izu, you're a blessed man.
What is that supposed to mean?
You will understand very soon. This may shock you, Izu, but the Queen built this house because of you.
I believe that God will provide the money or bring someone that will give us the money for free.
I do believe in miracles. Yes. Yes. I believe in miracles.
Isioma, I am so sorry about that old woman.
It doesn't matter again. I believe that's the way God wanted it to happen. That's why I was exposed.
Really? This is so embarrassing. Because I was told that the woman sealed her lips.
Ujungwa. I just said it doesn't matter again. Besides, the most important thing here is that Izuna hasn't rejected me.
You can't imagine how relieved I am. I've been crying at home since I heard your uncle sent you away from his house.
You know, things happen to us for a reason. Though in the midst of our frustrations, we might fail to see God's sign.
In a way, I am very happy for you. I just hope this turns out for the better.
I pray too.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Do you really love him?
Well, I never knew what that word love was. But I know now.
Wow, thank heavens. I know he loves you too.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay. So what do you want?
Nothing. Okay.
Water?
No, I don't want water. I'm okay.
Okay.
So finally, you came back. I learned you have a dying brother.
Yes. Yes, Your Majesty.
What a shame. Here. Take this money. Go and save your dying brother.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
When your mind is settled, then you can come back to me. Izuna, I want more than sex from you.
Thank you. I really do appreciate it.
I thought you said you were going to the hospital.
Yes, but I had to go find the money first.
Oh. Who is inside that car?
A friend.
Okay.
Here's the money.
Hey! Izuna, where did you get that money from?
My friend sent it to me from China. Yes.
Chineke.
Here. Keep it in your house for us. Let me rush to the hospital so they can commence his surgery. Okay?
Okay. Go well, eh? Put more water. It's my turn to ask you, what is the matter with you? I've been wondering. Wondering about what? The car that brought Izuna back. You know we didn't get to see the driver. What about that? It belongs to the palace. So what has that got to do with the way you're feeling? But you told me it was his friend from China that sent him the money now. Yes. Can't his friend from China send the money through the palace? Okay, it's possible, Sha. Do you like it?
Very much. Do you realize when was the last time I ate pounded yam? This is my best.
It was Uju's idea, not mine.
I don't care. It doesn't matter whose idea. The most important thing is that I'm eating your food.
You haven't mentioned anything about Chijoke's condition ever since you returned.
Still, you know, I was very hungry and exhausted. That's why. Yet, but the surgery was successful and his condition is stable now.
Thank God. I was so worried.
You need not to worry. Perhaps you have not realized how much luck you've brought to us, huh?
How?
How? By ushering in good things, we shall come and remain.
Thank God.
Is there something on your mind?
Not really. But would you mention that the car that brought you back today was from the palace?
Yes, well, that's true. That's true. You see, my friend has sent me the money from China. He sent it through his friend who is from the palace.
Oh. Okay, I thought as much. That was what I thought that too. You like it?
Very good.
You have told me now.
I don't want to stress you now.
Let's come in. Ah, Chi. You're not sleeping.
He's still not back?
He's not back yet. Who knows if he has gotten himself into trouble.
Relax, Sissy. Nothing has happened to Izuna. He will soon be back. Just relax.
Chi, how do I relax when my husband is still out there? How?
A woman in your condition needs a lot of rest. Please rest.
It's okay. You need rest more than me. You know you're still recovering. Okay. It's okay, just go to bed. I'll wait for my husband.
I'll be fine.
Okay. Good night, eh?
For the first time in my life, I feel the joy of a real man.
Why? Don't you have a husband?
I have a weakling.
So why did you marry him then?
I did not marry him. I was sold to him.
Sold?
Yes.
By who?
By my parents. Years ago, kings were invited for our New Yam festival, and I was one of the entertainers. I was actually a dancer. I danced and danced and danced, and your king was one of the kings that came to my village, and he was watching me lustfully, not knowing that he was saying something beyond that. He started bringing gifts to my parents, and they were so happy. All of a sudden, he came to my house and made his intention known that he wants to marry me. I cried and cried and cried. But because your king was rich, my parents sold me to him because of his wealth. He was 58 years old and I was 18. He was 40 years older than me. His wife just died. My life has known no joy ever since I met him. Everything I like, he hates. Everything I hate, he likes. He is too old for me. He climbs down from me almost the same time he mounts on me. Ever since I met you, I feel the warmth of a real man. Please, Izuna, don't run away from me. Stay with me. I love you so much.
I'm sorry, my queen. That won't be possible.
Why?
I have a pregnant woman at home.
I am not against that.
And I love her so much. If I had money, I would have finalized our marriage right now.
You can have her and also satisfy me. Listen, I'll give you anything you want. Anything. I'll give you money. I'll make you happy. Listen now. Please. Don't run away from me. I beg you. I love you so much. I want you to stay with me.
Please, my queen, I can't do this. I just can't.
Listen, I beg you. Just one more time. I'm gonna be alone in that house if you leave me. Please.
I'm sorry, Obimo. Forgive, please forgive me. Oh, I am sorry, Obimo. Forgive, please forgive me. Oh, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to break your heart.
I'm priceless.
Where have you been?
I went to see that friend of mine.
Where did you get that money from?
It's my friend. The same person I told you about.
I made vegetable soup for you. Can I bring it?
Oh no. I'll eat it in the morning. Sioma, I will never lie to you on a normal day. I love you so much.
I love you too. I'll never doubt you. All I want from you is never to hurt me.
Forgive, please forgive me. Oh, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to break your heart. Obimo, please forgive me. Oh, I was so confused. I was so depressed. Frustration has made me to go against my wish. Obimo, just forgive me. Oh, I never meant to hurt you. I am sorry. I am sorry.
Yes.
Travel with me to Asaba.
No, I can't.
Please, let's go spend some time where no one will see us.
I can't. I have a wife.
I have a husband.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way. I'm sorry.
So, I'll buy you a car.
Aren't you happy that my friend asked me to follow him to Asaba? To introduce me to a new line of business?
It's not that. Just that I am worried.
No, you shouldn't be. It's just for the weekend. You remember I promised you something? I promised to take good care of you, right? Perhaps after your delivery, you can return to school.
I know. But
But what? You promised never to doubt me.
It's not as if I'm doubting you. I believe you. But don't you think it's better I meet this your friend that has been so kind to us?
Selma, he's not around. He's not around. He asked me to follow one of his friends that came from China to Asaba. Remember something, we must not allow any opportunity to slip our hands.
I understand.
Chijoke is here to look after you. Whatever you want, he will give it to you. Okay? By the way, tell me, what would you like me to buy for you?
Nothing.
No, can't be nothing. Can't be nothing. There must be something you've been longing to have. What is it?
You. And no one else.
But you have been already. I'm here for you.
Never to be shared by another?
I promise never to lie to you. If I can. Didn't I?
Yes.
Don't worry. It shall be well. Just trust me. Cheer up. Come on.
Hey, my dear. Where we go? Things are suddenly happening so fast for Izuna. Are you jealous?
Jealous? Why should I be? My dear, I am happy for you. At least everybody in the village will stop gossiping that he cannot take care of you.
God forbid. My God will never allow that to happen.
Amen. No. By the way, have you met this friend of his?
No. Why?
Why? You should have insisted. If not for anything, at least to thank him for everything he's been doing for Izuna.
Uju, he did not travel with his friend from China.
Who then?
Well, his friend from China sent him to meet another friend of his to help teach him the trade.
Isioma, it is your duty as a wife to know what your husband does.
Doesn't matter. I trust him.
I know you do. But that doesn't mean you should be foolish.
Well, he says I brought him luck.
Apparently, because everybody in this village knows how difficult things were for him before you moved in.
Yeah. I just want to be happy and to be a good wife.
A good wife concerns herself with her husband's activities. There are so many inputs you can put in his business if you know what they are.
Well, I feel it's too early to start annoying him with so many questions. That's all.
No time, it's too early. You are his wife and you are married to him for the rest of your life.
Let's go inside. I need to rest my waist.
I am sorry. I am sorry, Obimo.
Just a little while. You are looking changed and happy.
I am, Auntie. God has been extremely kind to me.
It is obvious. At last, Izuna is beginning to show the signs of maturity.
We thank God, Auntie. He's trying.
Yeah.
Auntie, have you seen Uncle of late?
No, he avoids me like leprosy.
You know, I think of him most times, though.
Why?
Who will be cooking for him? He's just like a child who can't do anything for himself.
You should be worried about yourself. You are a husband and you are no home. If your uncle decides to be taken care of, let him go and bring back his wife and his child.
I know that, Auntie. But he is still my uncle. Even though he didn't treat me well, but he's my uncle.
God will continue to bless you, my daughter.
Amen.
God will not allow you to suffer.
Amen. Don't worry, Auntie. When Izuna comes back from Asaba, we'll come and visit you and bring some things for you.
Yeah. Thank you, my daughter. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Oh.
Hello, ma. How are you?
Hi. I can see you've been very busy.
Yeah, I actually went to get some stuff for my brother and my wife.
Oh.
Where's the queen?
Her name is Ugoma. Remember, her identity must be protected.
You're right. I forgot.
So, what did you get for me? Oh, I can see you did not get anything for me, I presume.
But it's all right. Don't be offended, okay? I'll make it up to you. Whatever you want, just let me know. I'll do it.
Don't worry. When I'm ready to be compensated, I will let you know.
I don't understand.
When the time comes, you will understand. And whatever we discuss, let it be between us. Because if you try to tell anyone, it will be to your own detriment.
Sweetie! I've made it! I told you. This is my brother with moto.
Sweetie, we've made it. Okay, I told you this is going to happen. That's exactly what's happening for us right now.
Whose car is this?
It's our car.
Hey! He's the one that Hamagokwa.
She's ice.
Hey! Chineke.
Wow.
Izuna.
Yes, sweetie.
Where did you get the money to buy this car?
Do you remember my friend I told you about in Chennai? He's the one he sent me this car with plenty of money. So much.
Chineke. Hey, brother. God will bless this your friend that I don't know.
Chiva, go to the car, the back of the car, bring there's 2 bags I have there. Bring them for me, okay?
Hey!
A whole lot of good things for you.
How? Obo. Okwate keneze. Igwe. How?
Good. That's it. Wait. This is for my wife and that's for you. Yes, for you.
Huh? Me, Chijo, can use your handset. How? Chineke. Huh?
Yeah, wow. See, it's gonna just go in already.
How?
This is beautiful.
Yeah, I know you like it.
Me. Brother,
thank you so much.
Hey!
It's all right. You know what? Let's go. Let's go inside and talk about it. Let's go. Let's go inside.
How? Chineke me. My sweet love, Anyanja Fosa. So, how was your trip?
Also, I got everything that I wanted. Then I went to your company as you instructed.
That's nice. Did you miss me?
I miss you too much, you know it now. Each time I travel, I always wish I never left your side.
It is because I love you. And I take care of you properly, don't I?
Of course you do. I couldn't have made a better choice for your life partner, and you know it.
Now, come and show me how much you do.
I'm tired. All my body's paining me.
Is that how much you missed me?
Let me be frank with you. I am tired of being aroused and led to suffer.
You are not referring to me, are you?
There is no other person in this room other than you.
Goma, what's come over you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my lord. I didn't mean to insult you. I'm very sorry. I didn't know what came over me.
That's better because this is not you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry. Just that, when I came back from travel, I was expecting you to hug me and kiss me, hold your wife, and I didn't see you around. I asked where you were, and they told me you were having a meeting with your chiefs.
Okay. I know how you feel.
That's why I'm angry.
Don't be angry. Hmm?
Hey! What?
You like it? You like them, eh?
I like them. Isioma. Hey! God, oh. Yeah. God will bless you and Izuna for me. God will reward you people in a million folds.
He sends his greetings. He would have been here with me, but he had to rush off to attend to this business in Asaba. It's very important.
Yeah. Hey, greeting for me, oh?
I will, ma. Well, I have a good news for you. He says I would return to school immediately after our baby.
That's the most wonderful idea. Not like our own time, when women are prepared to help their husbands in keeping a home.
Oh, Auntie. It's okay, Auntie. Please, I am hungry. Yes, I can eat everybody in this compound.
Okay, I have rice.
Okay.
Cassava.
Okay.
Hey! Now I'm coming. Let me bring them for you.
Isioma, you are suddenly becoming one of the big girls in this our village.
Why do you say that? Because my husband bought me a few things.
I am happy for you on them. Very soon, you will be the envy of all the girls in this our village.
Ujungwa, please, I don't want trouble. I just want to be happy and fulfilled. That's all. Not to spite anyone.
By the way, what has Izuna said about this his newfound status?
Well, I've just been waiting for the right opportunity to ask him some certain disturbing questions. But you know, he's been busy of late. What is it? You sound as if you know something and you don't want to tell me.
Nothing, no, I swear. Nothing. You know me now. Just my normal curiosity over some things I cannot comprehend.
Ujungwa, I know you very well. You have been my friend over the years. What is this thing you're hiding?
It's just that card I brought him back that day. That one now. Belongs to the king's wife. By the way, where is he?
He told me he wanted to see a friend.
Hey, now wow. Our own Izuna has suddenly become a very busy and scarce man. Hey.
I think it has to do with this new business he's trying to set up. I don't know if there's something else happening.
My dear, I have told you my own. The earlier you know what he is into, the better.
I am sorry. I I am sorry, Obimo. I am sorry. I am sorry, Obimo. Forgive, please forgive me. Oh, I am sorry. I am sorry, Obimo.
My queen, how long are we going to continue like this?
I never meant to hurt you.
How long
To break your heart.
would I lay you?
Obimo, please forgive me. Oh,
But I've come to let you know that I want out.
so depressed.
I can't continue living like this.
Has made me to go against my will.
I want to go back to the decent man I used to be. Please, find yourself another man. My queen, are you listening to me?
Hi, handsome.
Uloma,
That is my name.
what are you doing here? You scared me.
Remember what I told you at the lobby? Don't you find me attractive?
Uloma, you must be out of your mind. Excuse
Don't
me.
you dare walk out on me. Else I will tell your wife what you've been doing with the queen.
Is this a blackmail?
Let's not call it blackmail. Let's say I'm a good storyteller.
What exactly do you want?
I want you. I want to lay with you.
Sex?
Yes.
To have sex, right?
That is what I want.
Sex.
Yes.
And that's what you get.
Ungrateful slut. Just one test of loyalty. You failed. As for you, we're very disappointed in you.
Who will help me? Oh! Who will help? Who is there? Please help! Help me!
going on here? Huh?
Nothing. I want Uloma out of this palace.
Well, I thought she was your favorite.
Apparently, that is why she has chosen to embarrass me.
How do you mean?
It just got to my notice that she's taking advantage of the freedom given to her to frolic around with men. And it's a huge embarrassment to this palace.
No, that should not be encouraged. That should not be encouraged at all. Well, you brought her here, so I guess you just have to find the best way to settle this matter. Hmm? Yes, come here.
We have to do something about her, else she will embarrass us. Yes.
Get paid back for all my services to you?
I picked you from the slum of this village and made you this pretty girl that you are. I made you taste royalty. I made you taste wealth and money. Yet you stabbed me at the back. You ate the food that is meant for me.
He is originally another woman's food.
Me? And I will slap you again and again if you do not take your stupid face out of this palace this minute.
You've forgotten my undying love to you and the palace.
The chameleon is an animal that can never be defined.
My queen, learn to forgive.
Listen to me and listen very good. When next you have an opportunity to be with someone who has been good to you, learn not to betray that person. Now, out of this palace before I do something terrible to you. Out! Take her out! Out! What of you? What are you looking at? Get out of my sight! Out!
I know you said I should stop coming to tell you things about your husband. But it's important you know what people are saying.
Which is?
Your uncle. He was taken to the hospital yesterday night. And they said he took ill immediately after you visited with your husband.
What is wrong with him?
How would I know?
You know, I've always wondered how he copes without anyone. I hope you're not suggesting that we have a hand in his illness.
Perhaps you should find that one out for yourself. Oh. All I know is I've told you what I heard.
Anyway, when Izuna returns, we'll go and meet him in the hospital.
It seems you did not get me. He did not make it.
What?
He died as soon as they got to the hospital.
And where the hell do you think you're going to? Have I not warned you never to step your foot into this palace again?
I am not here to see you. I am here to see the Igwe.
Out of this place, you slut!
If there's anyone to be called a slut here, it is you, Ugomba! No! 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 I am here to tell the Igwe. Igwe!
What's going on there? Huh? What's going on there?
My lord, Uloma here has gone mad. She has gone crazy. Order the guard to throw her inside the palace prison.
Uloma.
Your Highness.
Why are you scuffling with royalty?
Your wife has been cheating on you.
You see? That is why I said she has gone mad. Can't you see? She has gone mad. She's insane.
Shut up.
My lord.
I said shut up! Ulama.
Your Highness.
What did I just hear you say?
I said your wife has been cheating on you with a young man from this village.
My lord.
A young man from this my kingdom?
Yes, Your Highness.
My lord, can't you see?
How long has this been going on?
Over 6 months, Your Highness.
Six months?
Yes.
My lord, she has gone mad.
Who is this young man?
His name is Izuna, the son of late Achebe. Your husband has brought doom upon you people.
I beg your pardon?
Izuna has been sleeping with the queen, the Igwe's wife. What? That's how he gets money in building this house.
Wait, please. You can't just leave like that. Are you sure of what you're saying, or are you sure you're not making this up?
Igwe just found out today, and if I were you, I would pack my things and start running. Igwe will not have mercy on you. Run as fast as you can.
Why did you have to do this?
I am sorry.
Any man found sleeping with another man's wife will be stoned to death.
That is our tradition.
Why did you have to do this to yourself? And to us? Why?
I'm sorry.
I never meant to hurt you.
Very sorry.
I never meant to break your heart.
But you see, we have to talk to your uncle.
All my life, I have waited. I have waited so patiently for that one day when I will be happy. I have watched life take away everything that I loved. My father, my mother, my uncle.
Your uncle?
Yes, Chijuke.
What are you talking about?
My uncle is gone. Chijoke, my only surviving blood relative, is gone. Dead. As if that is not enough, I got another message from a lady that my own beloved husband, Izuna, has been cheating on me with the king's wife. How do I explain this? How do I explain this?
It's okay, see. Uzugo,
The Council of Chiefs will still sit tomorrow. Let's pray a miracle happens.
There is no miracle that will happen, none. It is the Igwe's wife we are talking about. The king's wife. Who wants to be the king's enemy? Who? Just leave me alone. Let me carry my cross. Just go and leave me alone.
Elders of Obiligwe. A sacrilege has been committed. Our land has been desecrated. By now, I expected you elders to have agreed to the stoning of this young man who violated the laws of our land. Elders, I don't know what you people are waiting for. I don't know why you are dragging your feet.
Igwe, if a child chooses to dance Surugede, he must, through tears and sorrows, learn that Surugede is a dance of the spirits.
Exactly.
Igwe, okenye si na ya amaghị egwu ana baa ụwa. We must protect the sacred sanctity of this kingdom. That young man must die.
Yes.
You must be stoned to death. This is what our tradition said in the Bible.
Yes. Igwe, elders of Obiligwe, what lies with us now is one of those cases that, if well handled, will be a very big warning to all men and women of Obiligwe. Yes. A bird that chooses to perch on a rope would have been prepared to dance with that rope.
Stop that, your endless people know why. Go straight to your problem.
May Amadio has tried that to your mouth.
Sit down! Sit down! I did it! You know you started! Will you sit down? Sit down! You have just insulted me, and I demand you take it back! No way! No way! Why are you talking? Yes! Sit down, my baby! Sit down!
Go ahead, Ekodike.
Igwe, I am of the opinion that we tamper justice with mercy. Yes, for crying out loud, that young man, if he had been one of our sons, would we have been here pinning our legs on the ground in support of killing our own son?
Ekodike, stop that. Stop it. I can't understand the way you reason. This very meeting is not for chicken-hearted women like you.
Yes.
You call me a woman?
Yes! That is the way you reason.
Sit down! I said sit down. Sit down. You are not serious. You are not serious. I mean you are not serious.
Sit down. Igwe, that man should be made to face the consequences of his action as demanded by the tradition of our people.
Yes!
Yes! If a man goes in with another man's wife and it is found out, that man must be stoned to death. That is our tradition. Yes. So I am in support that Izunna must be stoned to death.
Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. Elders of Obiligwe. Yes. Elders of Obiligwe.
The woman with whom this young man committed this atrocity is no other person than my own wife.
Chineke! Hey! Arueme!
Elders.
Hey! Oh, Igwe.
Tomorrow at sunset, Izuna shall be stoned to death. This is my judgment.
Igwe!
I wash my hands of this, so.
Oh no, Igwe.
See to it.
Consider it done. It is a royal decree.
Thank you. This is a royal decree. Stone him to death. Stone him to death. Stone him to death. Stone him. Stone him. He must die. He must die. He must die. Yes. He must die. He must die. He must die. Stone him to death. He must die. He must die. Stone him to death. Jimmy! He's the one now! He's on now! He's on now! Brother! Hey! Brother! He's on now! He's on now!
Izuna!
Somebody!
It's on my toe. It's on my toe.
My queen. My queen.
What is going on at the main palace? Talk to me. What is going on?
I don't know how to say it.
Talk to me. What is going on?
Izuna has been stoned to death. I fear for you. People are beginning to say that the Igwe's first wife's dead. It's even suspicious. I have to leave at once.
I am not going to allow the king to take my life whenever he wants. All I wanted was just to be happy. I didn't intend killing anyone. Thank you.
stay clear. Stay clear from them, my friend. Shoot back, stay away.
Officer, what is the meaning of all this? Why do you barge into the palace uninformed?
Igwe, you are under arrest.
Arrest?
Yes.
What for?
For causing the death of one Mr. Ozuna.
There is no need for all this drama, officer. That boy had to die in order that our custom and tradition be preserved, be kept intact.
Yes. And for your information, officer, Igwe has a throne to defend, a royalty to protect, and a tradition that must not be compromised.
My queen.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
He's dead.
Check it out. Okay, get out. Get out from here. Igwe, cases like this are reported to the police, not an individual to take decision on his own.
Sir, the queen is dead.
Arrest Igwe and Ono. Now.
To meet and depart is the way of life. To depart and to meet again is the hope of life. You were the best thing that ever happened to me. I love you so much, Izuna. And I will tell the whole world what an angel you are to me. I hope to meet you in my next life. It would be the best experience I would ever have. Here is our child. I named him after you, Izuna Jr., so that each time I look at him, I'll always remember you. Isn't he beautiful and handsome? Rest in peace, Izuna. Rest in peace, my hero. Touch Daddy's grave.
Izu, you are my strength when I was weak, my eyes when I couldn't see. I felt so strong whenever you stood by my side. I'll forever miss you, brother. And for as long as memories still exist, you and I can never be separated. Because you always live in my mind.
I am sorry, Obi Mo. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to break your heart. Oh, be more, please forgive me. Oh, I was so confused. I was so depressed. Frustration has made me to go against my wish. Oh, be more, just forgive me. Oh, I never meant to hurt you.